In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Namecheap, a popular choice for domain registration and web hosting. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the knowledge you need to get started with Namecheap's services. First, let's begin by signing up for a Namecheap account. Head over to the Namecheap website. If you don't already have an account, you'll find a sign up option on the home page. Clicking that, you'll be prompted to enter your details such as your email address and a secure password. Once your account is set up, you'll have access to manage various services Namecheap offers, from domain registration to full web hosting packages. The next step is to register your domain name. Namecheap provides a handy domain name search function, which you can find prominently on their website. Here you simply type in your desired domain name to check for its availability. When you find one that's available and suits your needs, you can proceed to purchase it. This is your virtual address on the internet, so choose something memorable and relevant to your content or business. Once your domain name is secured, you may want to consider purchasing a hosting package if you plan to build a website. Hosting is essential for storing your website's files and making them accessible on the internet. Namecheap offers a range of hosting plans tailored to different needs and budgets. Choose one that matches your requirements and add it to your cart, then proceed to checkout. With your domain and hosting set up, you'll access your domain list from the Namecheap dashboard. This is where you can manage your domain settings, including configuring name servers and DNS records. Don't worry, Namecheap provides straightforward guides to help you understand these settings. Properly configuring your DNS is crucial for directing traffic to your website. If you're looking to create your website effortlessly, you might want to explore Namecheap's website builder. This tool allows you to create and customize your site using intuitive drag and drop elements, making it user-friendly even if you're not tech savvy. Explore the different template options, tweak them to fit your branding, and bring your website to life with a bit of creativity. For those who opted for shared hosting, you can also gain access to the cPanel interface. cPanel is a powerful tool that lets you manage your website's files, set up email accounts, and install applications like WordPress with ease. It's an essential tool for any website manager. Finally, remember that Namecheap doesn't just stop at domains and hosting. They offer additional services such as private email, SSL certificates for secure connections, and more. These can enhance your online presence and provide added security and professionalism to your digital space. And there you have it. Following these steps, you're well on your way to efficiently setting up and managing your online presence with Namecheap.